Let's see what it has.
They have 14 slimes, some beads, some foam balls, confetti, and 10 extra slime containers. What else they have?
Snow powder.
Ooh, that sounds exciting. Are you ready to open it?
Yeah. Wow.
Look at all those colors.
Whoa. There's pink, purple, foam balls, rainbow, and blue. Confetti green and pink. Blue confetti and also pink confetti again.
That's like a light pink, right?
Yeah, it's light pink and this is dark pink.
That's cool.
Yeah. Yellow and red. Confetti. There's more. Blue beads. This is nice. This is a blue shiny color. More beads. This is like peach or something?
Yeah, peach. Yes, it's like peach color.
Peach color. Sparkly stars that are golden. Sparkly. Yellow foam balls and also sparkly stars. Two colors of beads, blue and pink. Like pearls. They're shiny. They're beads. Look, there is some fruits and smiley faces. Foam balls. La, 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 la. There's a lot of foam balls.
Where's the special stuff?
Here
Ooh.
they are.
3 bags.
3 bags.
Pretty cool.
I forgot the glitter. There's green and blue. There's purple and red. This is like golden. One more. This is silver. The stuff to mix this, the stuff.
Yep.
Like these. What's this for? What is this for?
I think it's to make bubbles
Ooh.
with your slime.
Let's do it at the end of the show. So these are the 10 containers, the empties.
Yes.
Oh, and here are the lids. The time is come. Yellow and green. There is green and purple. Another
purple.
Well,
And more green?
yep. Is this an empty container or this is clear slime? I think it's clear slime. And also orange. There's red and orange. There's pink and blue. And the last but not least, pink again. Let's open the slime. I'm gonna start with the purple.
as the last one,
Yep.
the clear one.
Whoa. So I decided to mix the slime colors. So it's gonna be yellow and blue. So I'm gonna get one container and then I'm gonna do half and half.
So what color do you think it's gonna be?
I think green.
Okay, let's see
And let's do half.
how it feels.
Squishy.
Squishy.
Squishy and slimy. Kind of yucky. Okay. And then I put it okay, let's mix it. Okay. Mix, mixy, mix, mixy, mixy, mix. Stretchy. I'm gonna add foam balls. Rainbow foam balls. Let's add the sparkles into the slime. Sounds like a lot. I'm gonna add some pretty fruit. This is how to do it. You don't just take off the lid. This is not, regular. You just twirl it. Whatever kind of fruit you want. Ooh, that apple. Here it is. Okay, let's add some apple. Yeah. Did we put too much glitter or something?
Never is too much glitter.
Yeah, I guess. I guess you're right. Stretch it. Let's stretch it again.
Where's the apples?
Right here. Can you see it?
Oh, yes. Now, what color do you think it's gonna be?
I think orange. Wow. This is really cool and nice. Okay, now we're gonna put blue sparkles. Okay. Do pink foam balls. Really? Let's get this bad boy. Let's get this good. Ooh, okay. Pink beads. Okay. Mix, mixy, mix.
Now with blue.
We're gonna mix all the colors. Let's do it. Now let's put all of this slime. Okay. All the beautiful slime colors look like a beautiful rainbow.
Put your hand inside and touch it.
It's kind of goopy. Yeah. Now I'm going to do blue sparkles a little bit. put the silver now. I'm gonna do rainbow. Ah! Okay. That's all. Oh, I think I put too much and I was carried away. Okay, now purple. Last color of farmhouse. Okay. Do colored confetti. Okay. Confetti. Okay. You know, it's kind of like pinkish, but it's actually red. Now we're gonna do sparkly all the way, every way. This gold star. Now I'm gonna do letters, ABC letters. Oh. There's a little bit. I got carried away. The color. This is a long way onto the color. Okay. And the last one is going to be yellow. What? I did pretty much everything.
It's okay.
The yellow.
What else are you gonna put? What other happy face? I think you should put those greens.
Ooh, yeah. The light green?
Yeah, I guess.
Because the light green looks nice. The moment has come. Let's mix. It's kind of goofy. Ah! Oh, yes. Oh, this is a lot of slime. Whoa. Wow. So now we're going to stretch it. Whoa. This is big. Put it with my hands. Wow. This is a lot. Yeah. Stretch it. Whoa! I'm going to do my handprint inside the slime. Whoa. No! first, I'm supposed to put the snow. First, I'm going to cut it. Put all of it. Okay. Now, put it not too much. Now let's mix it. I'm gonna try to do a snowman. Okay. Oh, okay. We made our snowman. The buttons, hands, also his mouth and his nose and his eyes, and also his hat.
Oh, that was a big one.
Yeah. Guys, for watching my video. I hope you have fun with me. Now I'm gonna play with my slime. Bye. Yeah. Be slimy. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.